Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing well today. So this video you're going to be seeing today is going to be me doing my makeup. It's just plain everyday natural, that type of vibe. So yeah, be sure to check out the description box because I do leave discount codes below, and I will leave the link to this. I don't think this is available anymore, but I will leave the link if I can find it. And to the hair, the lashes, everything. If y'all want products listed below in future videos, let me know. If you would like to see how I do my makeup and do this everyday beat, then just please keep watching. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be starting out with this Milk Makeup Grip Primer. It's gonna focus. So I'm also putting my bangs back, and y'all bear with me because I have not done a voiceover. I mean, I talked through it so long, so it feels kind of weird. Don't ignore my wig, it's not glued down, okay? And I'm not gluing it down. So I'm now going to take my Precision Brow Pencil in the shade Black and Brown by ColourPop. It's my favorite, the only brow products that I use. And we're gonna do these brows. I really need to fix them up, to shape them up, but I'm not gonna do that today. I don't feel like it. I really came over here with no brushes. Like, I got all my makeup and no brushes. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this Fun Concealer and I'm going to conceal underneath my eyes. No, I'm not. I'm gonna conceal my brows with this. And the brush I'm using is this concealer brush. It's the 513 brush. I have a video that I did a few years ago on these brushes from Shop Miss A. It was only $1, I think. And I got a band-aid around it because it broke. And I don't have another concealer brush, so yeah, we just go. I'm gonna fix that off camera and then I'm gonna be back. Okay, so I just cleaned up the concealer with this deluxe concealer brush by Real Techniques. So for foundation, I'm going to be taking the NARS Natural Longwear Radiant and the shade No Caledonia, and I'm gonna apply that all over my face. As y'all can see, I got some hyperpigmentation going on, and I'm gonna show y'all how well this foundation covers. And I'm just gonna use this Luxie 680 Pro Precision foundation brush and just buff that in. Like, look at the coverage. Here comes my child. Y'all hear those feet. Hello. Hello. I think I used too much for my forehead. It's huge, but dang. Alright, for concealer, I'm going to be doing something different today. I haven't used this concealer in a long time, neither one of these, and they are probably expired. This is the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer, and this is Milani Concealing Perfect. This is mahogany, and I don't know why autofocus is it on? Okay, anyways, and then this one right here. So hopefully it's not. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with this. It still looks good. It still looks good. And I'm gonna conceal with a beauty blender. It's already damp. I haven't done this in so long, but I think I missed the coverage with it. Like, I like blending with the brush, but I forgot how good a beauty blender blends as well. Isn't that beautiful? Now I probably should leave it like this and just conceal with my Sacha Buttercup, but I'm gonna take it a step further and go a little bit lighter. And y'all, I don't know what happened to my makeup. I got a lot of stuff that's just not staying put together. But I'm just gonna do a little dab in the center. Uh-oh. And then blend out. Uh-oh. I'll get it. It's okay. We all make this face when blending concealer. I try so hard not to do that. Now before I start creasing really bad, which I think I already have, I hate creasing, I'm gonna take my Sacha Buttercup, my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, set underneath my eyes. Even though I didn't conceal my nose and my chin area and my forehead, I still get oily. So I have to go in and put a little bit excess powder underneath my eyes, period. Alright, so I'm going to go in with this contour palette by Black Radiance. I was about to say True Radiance. And I'm gonna take this Morphe M580 contouring brush, and I'm gonna use this Sculpt shade right here and just carve out my contour. And I kind of already got a contour. What I'm trying to say is I kind of already got a natural contour line. And then I'm just going to shape that up, clean that up. For those of you that are still watching, thank you for bearing with me. Because baby, it's been a minute since I've done a voiceover. I keep saying a voiceover, a talk through. I'm trying to get back in the groove of it, trying to get back in the feel of it and everything again. It's a lot. So, well, it's not a lot. So I got these lashes from, they were sent to me from Dodolashes. That's the style and everything right there. This will be my second wear, and I have a discount code listed below. So go ahead and purchase you some lashes, some affordable lashes, because they're affordable. Alright y'all, so my lashes are on, so I'm going to dust away this powder. And this is how the lashes look. Purr. Next, I'm going to go in with this Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I love this. I like to drench my face in it because, like, I'm just going to put on some lip gloss. Change my shirt. Oh. Hold on, let me change my shirt. Listen, I'm feeling like that girl, like. But no, that's it for this video. I really hope y'all enjoyed my everyday makeup tutorial. Yeah, like I just can't stop looking. Ooh, girl. But I really hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you want to see next, and I'll see y'all in my next video.